Having a plan to invest your assets is the most important first step in working to achieve your financial goals and objectives. At Econ Wealth Management, we plan with you to develop your roadmap that may help alleviate stress in your life. But beyond that, we take an important step further by managing your assets directly on your behalf. Our MAP process takes a look at developing a macro, asset, and portfolio level strategy, and we seek investments we believe are suitable to help you meet the plan you have in place with our wealth planning team. This short video will help to provide a deeper look at one of the aspects of our asset management process that we work on diligently every day on behalf of our clients. Thank you for joining us for T3, today's technical talk, topic of the month. Today we're going to show you a little bit about what most investors have been thinking about, which is the months of September and October and the volatility that's often associated with that. So today we're going to show you a quick look at the chart called the VIX, or the Volatility Index. And what that is essentially a gauge of market anxiety or market sentiment. It's a measure that we follow very closely here at Econ Wealth Management in our asset management area. And it is a measure of basically showing what investors expect the S&P 500 to do, or how it may fluctuate over the next year. So in brief, if you look at what we have up top on this chart, we have the S&P 500 over the last 12 months, along with, on the bottom here, the actual VIX index. If you notice as well on this bottom chart, there is a 200-day moving average line. And what you'll notice is between these blue lines, or these red lines, you have the S&P coming down. And in those events, you'd have the VIX index spending a lot of time above the 200-day moving average. When it falls or goes below and spends time below there, you often see the S&P 500 come up. Here, when we had the Brexit incident that happened in June, we also saw the market dip briefly and the index climb. But we've experienced here low volatility with an increase that's happening. So the question becomes now is, will this increase that we've started to see here towards the end of August, and most likely continue into September and possibly October, cause this slight dip we've been seeing to continue down further? That's the big question. That's what we're watching, and that's why you should give us a call if you have questions or if you have a need for your own financial plan to make sure your goals and objectives are where they should be based on where we see the market going over the next few months. Thanks for joining us.